I will definitely come back here. The location and room are just so great. Unboxing Crowne Plaza Utrecht Central Station. Great location in the shopping center. 1 minute walking to the riverside. Enjoy the breakfast buffet.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Amsterdam, Netherlands. It's really nice to enjoy the great weather and walk around this beautiful city. Many travelers probably are familiar with Amsterdam since it is a main hub in Europe. However, today I discover somewhere I will definitely visit again, Utrecht. Before I unbox the hotel facility today, let me tell you how I got here. I was flying out from Krakow, Poland, enjoyed the only business lounge there, and flew KLM European Business Class. For the complete onboard report, check the link below. Utrecht is around 40 minutes away from Amsterdam Schiphol Airport by train. This is my first visit this place. Let's see if it's easy to navigate.
So I'm here. So basically the hotel is somewhere near the shopping mall right here. I need to go for that way. Central station is right next to the mall.
It does look big. I come to the right shopping place.
After entering into the mall, you can find a sign here to guide you to the hotel.
It takes approximately 5 minutes on foot. It's alright.
So, follow the sign, you can find Crowne Plaza right here. Oof, it's not so easy to bring too many luggages.
The Crowne Plaza Hotel today has a great location in the shopping center right next to the Utrecht train station. But I'm a bit worried about the hotel very close to train station, since it's usually small and has bad maintenance. I hope it won't happen here. Well, let's find out. Now we head to the reception on the 3rd floor, and all hotel facilities are here. Upon entering the lobby, wow, it looks like this is a comfortable hotel. However, I've experienced hotels with good lobbies but poor rooms. So after that, I got my room key number 701. Let's take the lift up and find out. This is the corner room, which is probably larger. Now let's have the room tour together. Upon entering, wow, wow, wow. Look at how bright it is and the room size. Full of relaxing touches. The living room area has chairs and a table with drinking water and a dining menu. Even with simple decorations only, I already feel the premium of staying here. There's a welcome sweets and handwriting card in place. The king bed is well arranged with pictures on the wall. Pretty business smart, isn't it? Nespresso cafe machine and capsules are readily supplied. And let's find out the bathroom. Obviously, I can find a bathtub with no view but good natural light. Amenities are from the famous Dutch brand Rituals. And let's look around. The hairdryer is under the Bentley brand. Besides the toilet, there's a big mirror with a tap and sink. Pretty clean and neat. The towels are also well prepared. The shower facilities have both rain shower and hand shower also, with full amenities under the same brand. Near to the main door, there's an open wardrobe. It comes with a few hangers, iron and iron board, a mini fridge below but empty. Also, a safe is in it and a bathrobe available. Let's look at the view, an incredible city view. Also with a river, especially in nice weather like this. Even staying indoors, I feel pretty relaxed. In this hotel, also got a gym facility to work out a bit. Let's move to the lobby floor again, with swiping the room key. Let's take a look. It doesn't mean like a big gym, but has all the essential equipment.
Quite a compact gym here.
And the view is facing the indoor shopping mall. And this is also a shared gym with Hotel Hampton by Hilton. All right, let's take a look at the cafe and restaurant in the lobby, which are pretty cozy and quiet. I like this kind of sleek with a bit of premium decoration. So let me find a table and give a try their meals. By the way, since the member has welcome drinks, so I opted for a glass of red wine accompanied by nuts. The manager recommends the signature burger, where I'd give it a try. What a lovely lunch today. After the meal, let's take a walk. Unfortunately, the landmark Dom Tower is under construction. I really like the casual vibes here. We may walk around the riverside. There are full of cafes, restaurants and shops, all within walking distance. You can also find a supermarket in the shopping mall. These are what I got for my souvenir in the Netherlands. Let me get back to the room and prepare for the meetings tomorrow.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Good morning, Utrecht. Look at this river view. Quite relaxing, right? Let's head to the restaurant and enjoy breakfast. Here we got well-stocked bread and pastries. Cold dishes got cheeses, hams and smoked salmon. Also well-stocked jam and some vegetables. Hot dishes are pretty English breakfast standard options. Of course, coffee and teas are available. Bottled water, fresh fruit and juice along with milk and yogurt are here. I'm a fan of cereals and muesli. Of course, I won't miss this section. The menu shows everything they served in the breakfast buffet. And of course, don't forget the fresh-made egg dish is right here. These are what I got. Sunny side up with light breakfast choices plus the river view and start my meetings. After work done, I'm heading back to the hotel. And look at this incredible building. This is the room where I just unboxed for you. In summary, I like this hotel very much. Since it is super convenient, the hotel is right next to the train station, connected to Amsterdam Airport directly. And it is located inside the shopping center. You got all middle high-end brands, you may name those, surrounding the river, with full of restaurants and stores as well. Furthermore, the hotel is relatively new, just opened in 2022. Highly recommended. I will definitely come back again. In my next video, I'll take the train and head to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport and fly back to Taipei on KLM World Business Class via 787 Dreamliner. If you're interested in Dutch services, food offerings, and signature blue houses on board,
stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.